Welcome to AutoDiag. This interface was developed in React.js, while the server-side application was built using Node.js. AutoDiag is a multi-platform web application. It can be used both on PC and mobile devices. This application is used to diagnose your car's problems, as well as provide maintenance recommendations for you. As you can see, nothing works or loads without signing in or registering first. In order to register, you click the sign in button and go to need to register. Here we'll create a unique username, Jack Wheeler, and the email jackwheeler@gmail.com, our specific vehicle VIN number, and a unique password which is encrypted. Once we have registered, the app logs us in. Welcome to AutoDiag, Jack Wheeler, and we can scroll down to see our car, our Mercedes-Benz C-Class 2002. Once we scroll to the top, we can begin by clicking the Diagnostics tab. Here we can diagnose our specific car with a CLE code, which could have been given to us by a mechanic for free. Here we'll enter a check engine light code and press the CLE code button in order to enter and search for that code. As you can see, we found that this is a cylinder 1 misfire, and the possible causes are listed 1 through 6. Once we read those, we can then diagnose the symptoms. And we can read a disclaimer that AutoDiag is not taking the place of a licensed mechanic, and it's meant to assist you in diagnosing what problem you may have. So here we can enter the symptom, which is a misfire, and press the search button. Once we've searched, we would come up with a statistical layout of all the possible problems and what other users have reported in our app. So 50% of users say change spark plugs, while 25% say engine coils or faulty fuel injector. Now we are going to submit our solution. So we're going to say that a faulty fuel injector was our solution. So our main problem, misfire, we're going to type faulty fuel injector and submit that. So once we submit, you're going to be able to see that the statistical data is updated automatically because we are a user. And once we diagnose once again, enter our symptom, misfire, we can see that now faulty fuel injector has a 40% versus the original 25%. Next, we're going to navigate to the maintenance page. Here we can see that an oil change was written, and it describes exactly how to change your oil. So we could read this and go ahead and change our oil. This is from another user. Next, we're going to add a procedure, which means we're going to add some type of maintenance that's not listed. So today we're going to tell everyone how to inspect their windshield. Here we're going to add step-by-step instructions. Step 1 will be to clean the windshield, and then step 2 will be to inspect the windshield. As you can see, you can also add an image URL. So once we have added our steps, we submit, and you can see that we've instantly added inspecting windshield by Jack Wheeler. Once we can click on it, we can see that our steps are listed. Next, we can go back to the maintenance page and type recommended maintenance. This will tell us what we need to do at our current mileage. We're going to input 65,000 miles as our current mileage, and then we're going to see all the recommended maintenance for our specific car at that mileage. Here's what your vehicle is scheduled for within plus or minus 10,000 miles of submitted mileage. So check engine oil and filter at 60,000 miles. We can see the labor hours, the labor cost, the total cost, and the type of material we need to gather. So here we've listed every single possible maintenance issue we could have or conduct plus or minus 10,000 miles of our current mileage. This serves as a checklist for our maintenance as well as a reminder of what we should be doing. Next, we'll navigate to the forums page. We can click on a post by another user called Halogen Lights. He asks, are they really worth the price? We've already commented on this in the past, and we told them that they are worth the price and they look good. We're going to navigate over and edit that comment because after some future consideration, we determined we actually don't think the halogen lights look that good. So we're going to comment and save changes. As you can see, it's automatically updated with the new comment, and we can navigate back to another post in which a user says, my car isn't starting. You can see another user has commented, have you checked your battery? We're going to add a comment here. When is the last time you replaced your spark plugs? Have you checked your alternator? We kind of need some more information. So we're going to submit that comment. And then we realized that's a little passive aggressive. We're going to go ahead and delete that comment and let this user live. Next, we're going to navigate back and create a new post for ourselves, entering the title as a noisy back fender. So we're going to comment that there's a weird noise coming from the back fender and submit that new post. As you can see, it's automatically posted at the bottom, and there is our post. We realized we spelled the word weird wrong and we want to add some more information, so we're going to go ahead and edit that post and see if anybody else has a similar problem. We're going to go ahead and save that, and you can see it's automatically updated. Our post has been edited. You can see there's 0 replies and we posted it. Next, we're going to navigate to the account page where we can see a picture of our unique vehicle, and we just realized that we want to buy another car. So we're going to add an additional vehicle to our account, and this one is going to be a Subaru Outback. So we enter the unique VIN, add that car. It says we may need to refresh the page. We switch vehicles, and now we are operating with our Subaru Outback. We'll refresh because it tells us to, but as you can see, our Subaru Outback is loaded. And now when we navigate back to the home page, our Subaru Outback is our car. Next, you can see that there are no forums posted for Subaru Outbacks because each forum is unique to the make and model of the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and log out and prove that our login works by entering our username and password. And you'll quickly be able to see that our car Subaru Outback has been saved. Next, we're going to use our small toggle functionality at the bottom to log out and launch our web app. It has the exact same functionality as the web app. This is our mobile application, and as you can see, it's exactly the same, formatted to a smaller mobile device. Thank you for listening. This is AutoDiag. We hope you use it soon.